The truck bodies you build need tough materials with a superior surface delivered when you need it. Some other sellers' inventories are low, their shipments are delayed, and their promises aren't kept. At Steel Warehouse, you get steel when you need it, with service and support as dependable as Tata Steel's Valast. We keep stock on hand, so we're always ready to deliver Tata Steel's top-quality AR strip on time. And you can order custom lengths and widths to maximize your efficiency and save by cutting scrap and freight losses. Valast gives your truck bodies a superior surface that uses less paint and primer and has a glossier surface than blasted and primed AR plate. No matter which Steel Warehouse location you choose, count on no-nonsense pricing, hassle-free on-time delivery, and legendary support. To get the best-looking, most cost-effective, widest strip AR steel with service that looks out for you, call Steel Warehouse and ask about Tata Steel's Valast 450 today.